then run on to a new video. It's been quite a while, but yeah, we're here at the garage where we're getting out the blue car. It's been quite a long time since this thing's seen the road, so what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can get it running first. So yeah, let's get on with it. So the car's just gone haywire when my dad connected the battery up with all the alarm going off and whatever. So he's actually going to get in to see, does it potentially start? Yeah. Appears to be working, that.
What you fixed?
Yeah, well I fixed that. Go on. Man, if it starts, I mean... No! No!
Jay, is there any water in the bottle? In the radiator?
Can't see any.
Say there's none in it.
I think it's down the street. Wow! Oh my god! Wow! Whoa, steam! That's alright. That bottle's empty. What? But that's amazing, that, isn't it? Doesn't even need something, it's just running.
We'll have to get some water.
Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and get some water for it and then put the tyres up and hopefully make it dry. So yeah, we'll catch you in a minute. Whoa! So it moves. That's something.
We need to blow that tyre up. Can we get the box to blow the tyre up?
I think so. No, we can use the Mondeo.
Got two flat tyres.
So. Maybe it's a bad shot now, to be honest. So here it is, outside. I've probably just seen, sorry for that bad shot there, but it's here, it's outside. I'm just gonna go and pump those two right tyres up on it and try and get some water in that cooling system, because these things don't like getting hot at all. What? Well, probably in the boot then, in that bag. So, just show you around it again. On the bonnet, 3 litre inline 6, about 190 horsepower, which is quite a lot for back in 1989. In here is the proper classic Mercedes interior. Very nice. Every button switch like it was installed yesterday. So, oh dear. Fix that. There we go. What we're just gonna do, just for a moment, just have a look around where the engine and the coolant is. Trying to see any water on the floor, and I can't see any. Well, I can't see any water on the floor, so it can't have leaked out. What?
There's water in it, isn't there? See?
Oh yeah.
So it hasn't lost it all. It's evaporated, I think.
Alright. So that be happening?
I've known it to happen. You leave cars parked up for ages, but we'll put some water in it when we take it home and see if there's anything dripping anywhere.
Right. I see that's full of water though, unlike the Mercedes S-Class.
Hopefully it's not like a core plug's gone or something ridiculous.
Yeah. Or even worse, the head gasket. So I suppose I'd best give you a little update about this channel, considering that I've not uploaded a video for almost 2 months, if not longer. So the Mondeo is exactly the same as you saw it, nothing's happened to it. It's done a few more trips, but seems to be fine. This, well, today it's come out, and everything, well, apart from it losing all its water somewhere, it appears to be fine. The S-Class, if you remember, we replaced the driver's side switch in it. That's broken again, so we've ordered another one. And hopefully I'll make a video soon about that being replaced. When that's coming, that's when my dad's in the mood to replace it. And the Citroen C2, again, there's nothing different with that. It seems fine. But yeah, you see in here, the Mondeo is exactly the same as you last saw it. So yeah, let's get back to the blue Mercedes. So both of the tyres are now pumped up, the passenger side front and the passenger side back. So I suppose it's now time to take it home and put some water in it. So yeah, here we go.
I don't know if it's charging or not. Because you used to have to give it a rev, didn't you?
Yeah. Not like yes.
Does like to spin its tyres, this.
Yeah.
The heater getting warm's a good sign.
Yeah.
Can you feel it going bump bump because there's flat spots on the tyres?
Yeah. Yeah, classic that.
You get the bonnet up for me and I'll just go and grab that antifreeze.
So just gotta get the bonnet up, and Dad's got some antifreeze in the shed, so seems happy enough. Let's have a quick look at it. So it's not getting up yet. It's got good temperature. So yeah, it seems to be good so far. So I'll be back when it gets some water. So I can put some coolant in it. light's gone off. Ow! Did you just stick your head on the grill?
Yeah. Flick it upwards.
There's Scovey dual mert. Pull that down, then hang on. Pull that up. The bonnet goes up high. The S-Class can do that too. And so you don't do that. Hit your head on the grill.
The light off, yeah.
Yeah, lights off.
How's the heater doing?
But it's still warm. Oh yes. So what I'm going to do is move the S-Class and then put the Mert on the drive. And, whoa! Another Mert that started. Good Ben, turn that music on. So, the S-Class is running. It's going to come off the drive. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. There goes the S-Class. So now this is going to go on there, so yeah, let's get it moved. So, my dad's having a faff around with the S-Class with that switch, so he's going to put the switch in it, and while he's doing that, I'm going to go clean this car. So yeah, let's get on with it. So we're going to do the S-Class.
You got the keys?
No.
They're not in it.
Well, I haven't got them. Oh, hang on, yeah, I do.
Okay, I haven't had them. It's running when I put it on the drive.
So, the S-Class is going to go on the drive in 3, 2, 1. And there, the S-Class is on the drive. So, yeah, let's get it clean. There we go, the S-Class is clean, so while that's reversed out for another drive, may as well show you what's happened to this window switch. So, let me have a look inside and I open the door. I think everything here is all the same. Goes forwards, goes backwards, goes up, goes down. Yeah, it does go up and down. Back goes up and the back goes down. The back go up and down like it should, yeah, headrest. That appears all to be working fine. But the windows are a bit of a pain here to shut the boot. That's a bit of an issue, the boot doesn't work. So, we just have a look. When I get the keys back, we'll know that this window switch has to have a passenger side car. So once I say that, I mean, it's not a right-hand drive, it's a left-hand drive car. So it's really made for that side. So really, that window switch is there, but it's gone a bit haywire. The passenger side button works the driver's side window. Apart from that, you can open the windows now and use cigarette lighters, which is good. And yeah, everything's fine apart from that. So what we'll do, we will look for a right-hand drive window switch, but apart from that, everything appears to be fine. So, oh, here he is now. Yeah, she's looking good to me. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video of both the Mercs, like that one coming out the garage and this one getting washed and having a new window switch in, which you didn't really see, but it's had a new window switch in. And yeah, just a small update on the Mondeo and the Citroen. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe. We should get some more new videos in the new year, but apart from that, see you next time.